How to expand ideal land in Evony. So as of now, we don't really have the ideal land in our account, but we do know how to expand. So the main idea of the ideal land is where you level it up and use diamonds in order to expand the ideal land itself. So it would look something like this. So in the top left, there's going to be some button over here, and you're gonna need diamonds in order to actually expand your ideal land, but you can only do this once you level it up. So make sure you do that first, since every expansion will require a level requirement. So more specifically, a 32 by 32 will require 50k gems and ideal land of level 3, and a 40 by 40 will require 100,000 gems, which requires the ideal land to be level 5. But that's pretty much all you'll have to put in mind in order to expand your ideal land. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.